Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Grado Reference Series Hemp headphones. These have been making waves with their unique design and promise of exceptional sound quality. Let's see if they live up to the hype. Let's start with the design. The Grado Hemp headphones feature a distinctive open back design, which immediately sets them apart. The ear cups are crafted from a combination of hemp and maple, giving them a natural and somewhat unique aesthetic. However, they maintain Grado's signature no-frills approach with a thin metal headband and basic foam ear pads. Comfort-wise, these headphones are a bit of a mixed bag. While they are lightweight, which is a plus, the comfort level diminishes over extended listening sessions. The ear pads and headband padding are adequate but not plush. And the design places some pressure on the ears, which can lead to discomfort over time. Now, onto the most crucial aspect, sound quality. The Grado Hemp headphones truly shine here. Thanks to their open back design and 44mm dynamic drivers, they deliver a spacious, detailed, and engaging sound. The soundstage is expansive, allowing each instrument to breathe and be distinctly heard. Whether you're listening to orchestral pieces or intimate acoustic tracks, the clarity and separation are impressive. In terms of music genres, these headphones handle a wide range exceptionally well. From classical to rock, the Grado Hemp maintains its character of balanced sound with a slight emphasis on the mid-range. Bass is tight and controlled, offering enough punch without overwhelming the rest of the frequencies. Highs are clear and articulate, making every detail in the music shine through. Moving on to features, these are straightforward headphones. They come with a long, somewhat unwieldy cable but offer a 3.5mm termination with a 6.3mm adapter, which is practical for various audio setups. There's no active noise cancellation here, but that's not unexpected given their open back nature. Value-wise, the Grado Hemp headphones present a bit of a conundrum. They aren't flashy or luxurious in build, which might not justify their price tag at first glance. However, when you consider their exceptional sound quality and unique materials, they do make a compelling case for serious listeners who prioritize sonic performance over aesthetics. If we compare them briefly with competitors like the Sennheiser HD660S2 or FiiO FT3, each has its strengths. The HD660S2 offers more ergonomic comfort, while the FT3 provides a different sonic signature. The Grado Hemp stands out with its open back design and specific tuning that leans towards musicality and detail. To wrap up, the Grado Reference Series Hemp headphones are a testament to Grado's commitment to sound quality above all else. They excel in delivering a rich and engaging listening experience across various genres. However, potential buyers should be aware of their design limitations in terms of comfort and perceived value. Would I recommend these? For serious audiophiles or those looking to experience open-back headphones with exceptional sound quality, absolutely. But if comfort and luxurious design are your priorities, you might want to consider other options in this price range. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you next time.